Alright guys, so it's time to check out the deals at Lowe's. As soon as I walked in the store, seen a bunch of grills they had on sale. One of them was the Blackstone. Lowest price I've seen so far, $248 for the 2-burner 28-inch gas griddle. This one has 2 shelves, one on each side, which is nice. It's got the hood. It also has 2 heat zones, and there's a bonus. They threw in the cover for it also. So not a bad pickup here for $248 if you guys are looking for a Blackstone. They also had the Char-Broil grill on sale, down to $199. This one's usually $249. So this is a 4-burner, propane of course. Got the stainless steel top, shelves on each side. Nice large cooking area. And then they also had the Pit Boss. So they had a pretty good deal going on for the Pit Boss here. This is a pellet grill, down to $449, so $100 off on this. This is the Pro Series 850. These are really nice also. Kind of up there with the Traeger, I would say. I like this one because it does connect to your phone. It's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So pretty cool design there, which makes it really easy to monitor the temperature of what you're cooking on the grill. If you guys are looking for a charcoal grill, they did have the Char Griller down to $149. I actually picked this up last year when they clearanced them out. And I like it a lot. It's a really nice grill, heavy duty. Got the shelf on the side and in the front. And then they also had a 2-burner. This is the Camp Chef. So this is kind of like a portable cooktop you might want to take when you're camping. Runs off propane, pretty cool, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. They also had a deal on a smoker. This is the Master Forge. So it's down to $149. It was $199. This is an electric smoker, and you're going to get 531 square inches of total cooking area with this one. And then if you guys are looking for something cheap, they did have the regular square charcoal grill, and that's marked down to $54.98, so $10 off on that one. Now we'll get into some outdoor power equipment. So for Craftsman, $99, they had the string trimmer and leaf blower. This is the combo kit with the battery and charger included. So this is going to be their budget version for the string trimmer and the blower. It does come with a 2-amp-hour battery and then the charger, which is nice just in case you're not in the Craftsman line. Blower is only 340 CFM, and it is a smaller string trimmer. It's at 13 inches, I'm pretty sure. But this will definitely do the job for those smaller lawns at $99. They also had some skill deals going on. So they had the 40-volt blower, which is going to come with a 2.5-amp-hour battery, and then you get the charger. This one's 530 CFM. So this blower is going to pack a punch. Guys, take a look at it here. Definitely a decent size. It's going to be a lot bigger than the Craftsman that we've seen earlier. And then for skill, they also had the 14-inch straight shaft string trimmer. This is a kit also with the 2.5-amp-hour battery and the charger. The cool thing about this is it does have a 15-minute charge time. So $119 for both of those. Cobalt also had some deals going on. They had their blower here. It was only 500 CFM, and it is a 24-volt. So you're spending a little bit more on the Cobalt at $129. I'd definitely still go with the skill if I had to choose between the two. But the Cobalt does come with the 4-amp-hour battery and the charger. So you get a little bit bigger battery, but like I said, you're comparing 24-volt to 40-volt. Then they also had the 14-inch string trimmer, a little bit more, also at $129. Like I says, I kind of would lean towards the skill unless you're already in the Cobalt line. But that's also going to come with the battery. You get the 4-amp-hour battery with this one too, and the 45-watt charger. Now, Cobalt did have some deals going on for their 40-volt line. This is the 14-inch chainsaw at $199. This is the kit also. So it'll come with the 4-amp-hour battery. And this is normally $249. They also had some deals going on for Husqvarna. They had the pole saw here. This is the kit. Marked down to $369, was $419. They also had the chainsaw. So this is the 18-inch chainsaw kit. And they got that down to $429. So that's a pretty nice chainsaw there. And then for $329, they had their blower on sale. This is the kit also. 800 CFM for this one. And this is a 40-volt, and it's going to come with a 7.5-amp-hour battery. They also had the hedge trimmer kit, marked down to $269. This was $319. So there's a look at it there. And then they also had the weed eater. This is their string trimmer, 16-inch. straight shaft down to $269. And this is going to come with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. They had some deals going on for Toro also. So right here they had a 60 volt leaf blower, the 565 CFM was $199, got it down to $179. And this kit's going to come with a 2 amp hour battery. They also had the Toro string trimmer on sale down to $179. This is $199. It's a 15-inch, and you also get a battery and charger with that one. That one's also going to come with a 2 amp hour battery. And then they also had the Toro 60 volt 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower kit on sale down to $679. And this one's going to come with a 7.5 amp hour battery, up to 65-minute runtime on this one. Pretty nice lawnmower there by Toro. Husqvarna also had a deal going on for their lawnmower down to $799, and this is a 21-inch self-propelled also, coming with a 7.2 amp hour batteries, 2 of them. Those are 40 volt, and this one has a runtime up to 75 minutes. They had some Ego deals going on also for $179. They had the blower, the 615 CFM, and this is the kit also, so it's going to come with the charger and the battery, and it's a 2.5 amp hour battery. Next to that, they had the 670 CFM blower for $229, and this one's going to come with a 4 amp hour battery, up to 80 minutes of runtime. Ego also had a string trimmer on sale, so for $179, they had the 15-inch telescopic shaft string trimmer, comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger. Now we'll get into some power tools. A lot of these deals have been going on for a little while, but just in case you don't know, they do have a buy one get one going on for Flex. So if you pick up the 3.5 amp hour starter kit, you get one of these tools here for free, up to a $199 value. Then they also had another deal going on for Flex, your choice of select Flex 24 volt tools. So if you buy one of those tools, you'll get the 2.5 amp hour battery kit for free. They also got a buy one get one going on for Bosch. So select 18 volt Bosch tools, buy one of those, you get the 4 amp hour starter kit for free. And there's the buy items and get item there for you guys. DeWalt's also got a buy one get one going on. So if you look up here, they got 2 different ones. $199, you get the 4 amp hour 2-pack of batteries, you get 1 free tool. Or for $300, you get the 5 amp hour starter kit, you get 2 free tools with that one. And there's a quick look at all the tools that you get to choose from. And of course, Cobalt also has a buy one get one going on. So either the 4 amp hour starter kit or the impact driver kit, if you buy one of those, and there's the buy and get item numbers there, you get one of these tools for free up here. So there's a look at the impact driver kit, $149 plus a free tool, or the 4 amp hour starter kit, $149 plus 1 free tool. And there's a look at the tools you can pick from, up to $139 value. They also had some other deals going on for DeWalt, some battery deals. So 3 amp hour 2-pack for $99. For $149, you get 2 of the 4 amp and then 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries. And then also for $149, you got the 1.7 amp power stack batteries. They had the job site fan kit for $149, and then they had the high torque impact wrench kit for $299. And for $599, they had 7 tool kit here, and then also comes with the rolling bag. Looks like it comes with a couple batteries. I think there's both 5 amp hour batteries. So not a bad deal on that. Yep, 5 amp hour batteries with that one and the charger. Decent selection of tools. And then they also had some deals going on for the 12 volt max for $149 your choice. 2 tool combo kit here. They also had the 5-in-1 drill driver. Those come in pretty handy. They had the rotary hammer drill. And they had the 3/8" ratchet and bandsaw. Had some deals going on for Craftsman too during the Craftsman days. So your choice for $99. They had the 2 tool combo kit or the fan, or your choice for $69. You get your impact or the drill driver kit. And Craftsman also had a buy one get one. So the starter kit here for $149, you get a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour battery and charger. If you pick that up, you'll be able to get one of these tools for free. So these tools are the RP tools. So this is their higher line brushless series. And they had a decent selection of tools to pick from here. Circular saw, angle grinder, jigsaw. They also had the recip saw, belt sander, oscillating tool, multi-tool, 3-inch cutoff, and then the blower. So a decent selection of tools there, and they're all RP, so that's pretty nice. Did see a clearance deal. These are not the RP, but it's a 5-piece combo kit for $101.37. And you guys can see it does come with the lights. You get 4 tools there, a couple batteries in the bag. This was called the 2-piece combo kit, but it looked like it came with a little bit more than just 2 pieces, so I was kind of thrown off with this one. So this one was $149. And then they had the 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries for $59. And then back to DeWalt, they had some new lower prices. So they had the 2-tool combo kit with Power Detect. These are the XRs, down to $299. And then they had a couple other your choice toolkits here for $249. They also had another clearance deal here. This is the Porter Cable bench grinder, down to $51.32. That might not reflect in all Lowe's, but I've seen this at a couple of my local Lowe's. So a little discount on that. And then they also had a clearance deal going on for the Cobalt workbench. This is the 3-drawer. I think it has the pegboard and stuff. $254 for this one. Seeing these tucked away, kind of back by the toolboxes. So you guys might find that at your local Lowe's. And then they had another buy one get one going on for Craftsman. So if you buy one of these kits for $99, you got the leaf blower, get the 4 amp and the 2 amp hour starter kit, or the string trimmer kit. So if you buy one of these kits for $99, you're able to get one of these bare tools for free. So another deal for Craftsman. Now these aren't the RPs, so these aren't going to be their higher line, but still not too bad for a DIYer. They also had a deal going on for the Craftsman power scrubber. This is with the extension handle, down to $149. And this is also going to come with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. So pretty cool. And then they did have the scrubbing bristles. The brushes over here marked down to $29. It's accessory kit. So it comes with a few different brushes. This one, because it has the adjustable handle, so it can be short or you can have it extended to be able to reach. And then they also had the 1800 PSI pressure washer, down to $99 for Craftsman. Now if you guys are looking for a gas pressure washer, they did have the 3100 PSI Craftsman coming in at $299. There's a look at it there. So this one was $359. And then they also had the 3400 PSI Craftsman. This was $459 down to $399. They also had some Craftsman generators on sale. So they had the 3,300 watt generator. This is the nice smaller inverter generator, down to $779. But this is 2,500 watts continuous. So 3,300 watts is going to be its max. They also had the Generac 6,500 watt generator, and this one was $749, regularly $899. So that'd be a nice generator for backup power at a house if your power went out. I did see a couple more clearance deals for Cobalt. So they had the modular wall organizer. This is the 20-piece, was $199 down to $149. So nice way to organize stuff in your garage. Now remember, your mileage may vary when it comes to clearance deals. Not all Lowe's is created equal, so you just have to go there and check it out. There's a look at the wall organizer. So pretty cool setup there. They also had the Cobalt ceiling storage system for $126.77. So this is $169. So you guys need to get stuff lifted up out of your way. You want to store some stuff. This would be a good option. And then before I left, I seen some outdoor security. Here's the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery operator for $129.99. This has the two-way audio, motion detection, all the good stuff. Ring makes some really good security cameras and doorbells. So $129 for the Spotlight Cam Plus. And then they also had some Blink stuff going on. So they had the 2-camera system for $104.99. This was $179.99. And then they also had the 5-camera system down to $249. This was $400. All right, guys, so there you go. A quick rundown of what's going on at my local Lowe's. Let me know what you guys are finding at yours. You guys find any good deals? Let me know in the comment section below what kind of deals you guys might be looking for. Keep an eye out for them. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.